Savor the healthy benefits of premium Arabica beans with First Health 8-in-1 coffee. Combines the wonders of calcium lactate to promote stronger bones, agaricus mushroom to fight stress, ginkgo biloba to improve blood circulation, omega-3 DHA to support brain development, tongkat ali to boost vitality. First Health 8-in-1 coffee. Healthy coffee never tasted and smelled this good.
Before, wala akong kahilig-hilig sa coffee. Uminom lang ako ng coffee kapag nakainom, and ang hilig ko talaga chocolate. Pero nung na-start ko natikman yung First Health 8-in-1 coffee ng Uno, ang sarap. Wala siyang katulad. So, parang hindi na kompleto ngayon yung araw ko kapag hindi na ako nakainom ng coffee. Minsan nakaka 2 to 4 cups pa ako per day. And ang maganda nun, mula nung nag-start ako uminom ng coffee, until now, hindi pa ako nagkakasakit. At malaking tulong siya dahil last June 16, kinasal ako. So, right now, 1.5 month nang pregnant yung wife ko. So, ang laking tulong ng tongkat ali.
In one coffee. Siguro napapansin ninyo, umiinom ako ng kape. Yan, medyo malamig na nga lang yung kape ko. Pero masarap. 8-in-1 coffee. May 5 supplement. Agaricus mushroom, tongkat ali, calcium carbonate, omega-3, and ginkgo biloba for memory. Nagkape ka, na-relax ka. Pero yung supplement na kailangan mo, nasa kanya. So, marami kayong narinig, guys. No, yung mga late pong nag-tune in, may 200 ho ulit tayo ngayon.
#1 best-selling coffee with natural antioxidant properties, boosted by ginkgo biloba, tongkat ali, and omega-3. Help enhance cognitive function, revitalizes, and lessens cardiovascular risk.